the mainstream one wasn't so good, but Te Kura has changed all that for Ngāwari. Just opened up spaces for him, for us, to allow him to just be him.
Ko ngā whāinga matu o Te Kura, he whānga i ngā akonga, e noho tawhiti ana. I te pua waitanga mai o tēnei kura, he āwhina i ngā tamariki e noho tawhiti ana I te kura.
He huakina ngā puaha o te ao marama. It's opened up a lot of doors for us being with Te Kura, allowing us to travel to Marae and be with whānau and just showing the te ao Māori side of life and also having the other side of life as well. Te ao Pākehā. Yeah, I'd just like to give a big mihi to you all that come here and supported my son over the years. Yeah, it's been an up and down journey, but we've made it this far.